Designing creatives for native ads is very easy, but there are several details you need to consider in order to get them right. Today, we'll be creating native image ad assets for display in Video360. I have already gotten my primary image from Shutterstock here, and I also have the logo files I will need. We'll be using Canva to make the creatives. Since we're looking for very simple and straightforward designs, Canva offers the appropriate tools to quickly assemble and create them. Access canva.com and create your profile if you don't have one already. Now, before we start designing, we will go to DV360's Ad Guidelines. Here, you can check the dimensions of the assets you will need in order to upload these ads to the platform correctly. For native image ads, we will be designing a PNG creative with an aspect ratio of 1.91 to 1, which we can see has a dimension of 1200 x 627 pixels. We also need to create a 1:1 ratio alternative for optimal results, but we'll get to that later. Now, go back to Canva, click Create a Design, select Custom Size, and input the dimensions. We now have a blank canvas where we'll be able to drag and drop the elements we need. So let's upload our image and our logos. Next, start dragging and dropping the elements to the canvas. The platform automatically snaps the image to fill the entire canvas if you drag it over and keep it idle for a second. You can play around with the adjustments and cropping to get it look how you want. Then, drag your logos and look for the best way to design your creative. Canva also lets you add text, elements, and other features to your image, so this is where you can take your time to experiment and make it look nice. As we can see, we have our finished creative, but now we need to make the 1:1 aspect ratio alternative. So go back to the homepage Canva tab and repeat the process with a 1200 x 1200 dimension file. Recreate your ad, adjust any needed elements, and you're done. To download your files, click Download and make sure the PNG file type is selected. Once you have downloaded your creatives, they're now ready to be uploaded to DV360.